magic carpet ride. Look at your smile, and I could see the light shining everywhere. People like you don't come out of thin air.
Oh, Jasmine, you don't understand. There is so much that you don't see. Just think, if you can, what growing up had to be like for me. Your father's a man who taught you who you are. Mine was never there. So how can you say I don't come out of thin air? There's so much I want to know.
You've got the chance to learn.
If it means I'd have to go,
I'll be right here when you return. Our wedding can wait.
I love you.
I think it's worth this small delay.
Maybe you're right.
Won't it be great to have your father see our wedding day?
I've waited so
It isn't too
long
late.
to learn the truth,
And
now at last we can finally say
your father is really there.
there's so much that we might share.
And you'll finally learn you
Don't come out of thin